In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar easily. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Zoom website. Once there, locate the sign in button at the top of the page and give it a click. This will bring you to the sign in page where you can enter your Zoom account credentials. If you haven't logged in already, you will need to input your username and password here. Once done, click on the Sign In button again to access your Zoom dashboard. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your page and click on the My Account button. This will take you to your account settings where you should see a navigation bar on the left side. Find and click on Settings to proceed further. Within the settings page, keep an eye out for an option labeled Mail and Calendar. Once you spot it, click on it. This is where you'll be managing your integrations. After clicking Mail and Calendar, you'll come across an option called Configure Calendar and Contact Service. Click this option, which will open up a selection panel. Here, you'll need to choose the service you wish to connect with your Zoom account. Since we're syncing with Google, select Google from the list of available services. Once Google is selected, make sure to enable the right permissions, allowing Zoom to write data to your Google Calendar. After doing so, please click the Next button to proceed to the authentication step. You'll be asked to enter your Google account credentials, so go ahead and log in using your Google account. Once you've signed in, a prompt will request you to grant permissions. Click the Continue button to allow Zoom to access your Google Calendar. With those steps completed, you've successfully linked Zoom with your Google Calendar, but let's double check everything to ensure it works smoothly. Navigate back to the settings page and select Mail and Calendar again. Verify if the integration was successful. You should see confirmations of the sync. Once confirmed, it's time to put this integration to use. Start by navigating to the Meetings section in Zoom and selecting Schedule a Meeting. Enter all the necessary meeting details, starting with the topic and then specifying the date and time that suits your schedule. You can also add meeting participants by entering their emails in the Invitees section. After filling in all the information, click the Save button to finalize your meeting. Now, let's verify if this meeting appears on your Google Calendar. Head over to your Google Calendar and check if the new Zoom meeting displays with all of the correct details. If everything's correctly in place, congratulations! You've successfully synced Zoom with your Google Calendar. Keep using these steps whenever you schedule new meetings, and your calendars will always stay in sync. Thank you for watching, and happy meeting scheduling.